गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः।
Everybody require the security. The guest is coming to the hotel, they also require the security. Staff are working in the hotel, they also require security. So who will give the security? That the department is security. Yes, we will discuss about the security department today. We are on class number 13. We will discuss about the security. And before that, myself Surjit, I'm welcoming all my viewers and thank you for of your support. You are keep watching my all the classes of videos. So today we'll discuss about the security duty responsibilities, how they are maintaining with some picture, and we'll discuss in details. Let's start. Now we will discuss another very crucial department, that is the security department. Security department is to work to keep the security of the guest as well as the staff. They are in all the corner in the hotel. They operate the different kinds of devices. They used to monitor by the CCTV. They have their entire hotel is CCTV surveillance. Then they are in the office, they used to monitor all the activities in the hotel. Any activities, doubtful activities, they act immediately. So protect the guest and the staff of the hotel, including all their properties. Secondarily, the security department role in a hotel is to secure the actual premises and the property of the hotel staff. Is also very much important. Now we'll discuss about the responsibilities and how they function. Security guard in a hotel must have around a patrol the various parts of the property. They check the doors of stairwells to make sure the locks are secure and no danger is hanging. Most hotel managers like see the security guard in the lobby, especially when large group arrive and during busy morning and the afternoon time. Yes, time to provide guests with a sense of security. Guard must patrol outdoors as well as room corridors as well, such as the pool area. They need to travel. They need to check the public areas, pool, spa. They all. Large properties may employ a number of guards to keep a protocols to maintain the communication through the same. I always say is how many guards, how many security person will be there is depend upon the size of the property. If the small hotel is there, it could be run by the 15 to 20 security. If it's a huge hotel, big hotel is like a 10 acre, 15 acre, then it's require almost 150 to 60 securities to cover the entire hotel. So depend upon the how security guard is, because security also 24 hours they require guard in all the shifts, morning, afternoon, night, something like that. So they require manpower, also require some hotel used to keep in different time wise, that also depend as per the hotel, as per the location where the situation is, but normally is morning, afternoon and night. And they are responsible. Security department have their own manager. They used to report there. Hotel security officers is there. Hotel security officer respond to complaint and the calls for help, whether the guard carry out help or the someone of the front desk must be prepared to rush to a potentially dangerous scenes and claim the guest or the petrol situation until the local police can arrive. Hotel security guard, like most of the trained security guards, typically do not carry firearms through the access of the weapon if the necessary. Again, this is also depends. Some hotels security holding some on they're holding nothing, just they're standing. Some hotels they're holding there some kind of small stick, something as per their protocol. Some, if as per the situation, can hold the weapon also. Weapon requires a special permission and is depend upon the hotel, which premises and which location is this. Normally security don't carry the weapons. And security, they have to prepare for run the department as run the concern area wherever is needed. They need to be so surveillance. Another department is surveillance. It is typically the role of security team to purchase, maintain the monitor security cameras. Security all used to hold some walkie-talkie. They used to communicate through walkie-talkie or over the phone. Because walkie-talkie is very easy to communicate. Sometime modern hotels can keep everybody or all the security having their own cell phone. They can communicate over there. But normally security communicate with the shift wise is change their walkie-talkie. They used to they need to communicate through the walkie-talkie, and they used to monitor the cameras, alarm system, and the other electronic surveillance equipment. One or more security personnel may be stationed at the office where they can watch the security capture of the cameras. One person sit in the security camera office, and they need to monitor for the entire hotel, the security cabin. Escort. The security guard on duty often is called to escort and partner of the many hotels have bars and the nightclubs located in the property. Some hotels have their nightclub and bar. Nightclub and bar is required. They require more security. Or nightclub or discotheque have their. They require more bouncer. All they need to keep the bouncer, or they keep some security person to maintain the peace in the areas, to get the enjoyment and to avoid any bad things happening in there, because sometimes maybe family is there, maybe kids is, maybe senior profile is there, and all the guests are very important for the hotel. They need to keep the peace and a certain environment, cool environment and good environment in the entire hotel room. Either could be a bar, either could be nightclub, wherever it is. Administrative duty. Most hotels employ security guard 24 hours a day, seen 7 days in a week. Job description for hotel security officers include a requirement for the flexibility. They must be available to work shift wise. They need to work shift wise. As I said, they require also A, B, C, morning shift, afternoon shift, night shift. They have their shift as well. Now the another important one you can see in the picture, security guard used to check the cars down also, because there are rules to check the down of the car to avoid some anti-terrorist activities, terrorism activities. And there is a metal detector in the entrance of the hotel. They used to stand there. And all the luggage has to be checked by the metal scanner. Some hotel have their own machine. The luggage has to pass through there, but security need to sit there and monitor what is happening there. This all are required. An entire hotel is under by the CCTV camera. They need to watch how it is functioning. Understood what is the value, what is the importance of the security department, why they are doing so. They are into do so lots of hard work. They need to do very attentive to give you the security of the staff, guests, of the entire hotel. So almost I have understood our security. Next class we will discuss about who give the salary, who looking after the revenue of the hotel, who keep accounting of each and debit and credit. Yes, that is the accounts department. We will discuss in details in our next class number 14, in the department with accounts department. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.